Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe.
Today we're unboxing and trying out the GHD Unplugged on-the-go cordless styler. Now GHD stands for Good Hair Day, which I just think is really important to mention because it is the brand's name and I see it everywhere, but I never knew what it meant until I actually looked at the logo and the box. Now I'm showing you each side of this box so you can really look at the specs and dive into them. But what really attracted me to this cordless hair straightener, first of all, was the travelability, as well as, the focus that it's been getting on Instagram, on social media, and especially with a lot of influencers. So unboxing this and taking a look at it for the first time after seeing it used so many times online, I am going to give you my first impressions. So I really liked this travel pouch that it came in. However, I do have a caveat and I'll get to that in a second. I thought it was really nice material, great that it says that it's heat resistant, so on and so forth. The straightener itself felt kind of strange. Like, I know that it does have to have a battery in it itself so that it can work cordless, but it was not very comfortable in the hand. It felt a little bulky, felt a little awkward, if I'm honest. I also am not entirely sure what all of the buttons and features are, and I will share a little bit more about that once we take a little closer look at the charger and whatnot. So this is the charger. I honestly think this box was probably a return because it didn't feel like everything was in the place that it should have been. But that being said, the charger itself is quite bulky. It does come with a cord, which is great. Of course, it kind of must. But, taking a look at that original packing case, not all three of these items fit in this packing case. So I understand that it is a first and foremost travel straightener, but you do need to bring the charger. So I don't think they fully thought through this engineering. Maybe they should have also included a little travel pouch for the charger itself. Maybe they're just anticipating you're just gonna travel with it, fully charged, but I don't exactly think that's the greatest foresight on the company's part. Now, I did not try this out on the camera, but I will kind of show you additional specs in the table of contents and the rest of this manual so that you can pause and dive into the features you want to learn more about on your own. While that is going, I will mention I did try this out off camera and I was going to post a tutorial and see how it worked, how it ended up, but truth be told, I gave up on using the product and I returned it. Now, that is because the product did not charge for me. As I mentioned, the buttons on the device itself were so confusing. I didn't know when it was on, I didn't know when it was charging, and it seemed to never charge. So I don't know if I just got a defective product or what the deal with that was. If anybody has experience with GHD or this product in particular, please let us know in the comments below. But unfortunately, that was my experience with it, so I can't tell you anything more. That is all for this unboxing. At least you get to see the size, the features that it comes with, and hear a little bit about my first impressions. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.